Mustafa's defense attorney reached out to the Prosecutor Sarah Samany. And 5 times he scheduled an appointment to access the SD card. And 5 times she canceled the appointment. Not once, not 5 times. To the point where this defense attorney is so frustrated, he says, you give someone the benefit of the doubt, but then when they're fucking with you, you can't give them the benefit of the doubt anymore. He said 5 times she canceled. She told me that you can sit down, I'll give you the SD card, and I'll let your independent expert inspect the SD card. And 5 times she canceled it. Now I have to fight my way to gain access to the SD card. And what is he talking about? He's talking about putting in a subpoena through the court, go in front of Judge Carol Weimer, and ask him and demand that a digital forensic expert, independent expert, look at the SD card. Because you can download the audio that Officer Zymus is talking about. And there is other content on this SD card that's exculpatory evidence that will show that this prosecutor has been lying about the whole thing. The police department is not uploading the whole entire dash camera into the Mostafa Aljazary case. They're cherry picking what they want into the file. Exculpatory evidence. If you're not releasing everything, all the evidence, that's a Brady violation. I mean, this Commonwealth attorney, you have to put all the evidence on the record. There's a warrant in Mostafa Aljazary case that was submitted on April 5th. Now, this dash camera is it has a large SD card. It has a very high capacity in recording. So it captures not just April 5th, before April 5th. There's a warrant in Mostafa Aljazary file on the 5th, but the police department only uploaded, I have to check my notes, I believe after 1 o'clock, 1:30. And then you ask yourself, what's going on and why are they, I mean, the warrant says April 5th. They're supposed to download all of April 5th. They only uploaded after 1:30. And what they're attempting to do is leave out a portion that will shed light on what is really going on in the Mostafa Aljazary case. I mean, this is exculpatory evidence. When you no longer follow the warrant is no longer valid. I mean, the warrant says April 5th, and you start uploading it from 1:30. I mean, this file is sealed, so there's no way you or I can verify that. But now that we have the file, we can actually verify it. Mustafa's attorney has to fight his way for this prosecutor. He has to go through the court. And the question is, what is this prosecutor so terrified from? I mean, you're telling this community, you're building a whole entire case that Mustafa is arguing inside the vehicle, but yet you're terrified to release the SD card out to Mustafa's defense attorney to have an independent expert look at what Officer Zymus is talking about. What she's terrified from is the investigator that handled the dash camera, Chad Mason. Chad Mason, in a motion to dismiss, got on the stand, and he admitted to violating department policy. Now, what does that mean? On the stand, he said, I took the SD card and plugged it into my laptop. Wait a minute. You did what? There is a chain of custody when you're handling evidence. You're handling the most crucial piece of evidence in the Mostafa Aljazary case, the dash camera. And you're talking about taking the SD card, plugging it into your laptop, and not going through the chain of custody. Now, here's the problem. When we're looking at this dash camera today, there is no audio. Even though Officer Zymus admit there is audio, But this dash camera, the police department, the Commonwealth attorney is telling you there is no audio.